morning from Hawaii. We're gonna watch the Aloha Festival Parade today. We're a little early. We're actually about 20 minutes early. And these are all the people I think who are gonna participate in the parade. I think these are the high school marching bands. Wow, it's gonna be an exciting parade, and today I'm here with my daughter. It's just the two of us because Dad and the brother didn't want to come.
We're going to begin the parade. Auntie Tony has been serving on the board of directors for Aloha Festivals for a long time. I'm not going to tell you how long. She's ageless. Right now, Venina, Honolulu's finest, our Honolulu Police Department Traffic Division, solo motorcycle wedge, leading off the 74th Annual Aloha Festival's Floral Parade. Mahalo to the city and county of Honolulu and to Mayor Rick Blangiardi. Mahalo nui. To our officers, aloha no.
Can you hear me? It's reference for the aina or the land, and the kuleana or responsibility we have to supporting local sports events with color guard and extending classroom learning into service projects. The success of the
Where he continues to serve as a lieutenant colonel at Hickam Air Force Base, in addition to serving the country in Congress and the armed forces.
represent the Royal Hawaiian Band. You know, Makana, you cannot have a parade without a band. Definitely not the best part. Parade contingent features their world-class performing arts program, including students from the elementary, middle, and high schools. And it also features arts groups, including the Warrior Marching Band and Color Guard, the middle school band, and the elementary children's chorus, as well as the high school Hawaiian ensemble. The Kamehameha School's Warrior Marching Band and Color Guard has performed worldwide to critical acclaim and recognition. The band is under the direction of Matthew Kalei-Urabe and Assistant Director Kristen Sellen. In January 2013, they represented Hawaii in the presidential inauguration parade for President Obama and also for President Clinton in '93. The band made their fifth appearance in the 131st Tournament of Roses Parade in Pasadena, California on New Year's Day in 2020, just before that pandemic crept up on us. Today's parade includes members of, oh, you know what, that's a Hanaho Ikalamaya'u, and I will let you guys go. Have at it. Welcome. into, I think it's, hi everyone, Mahalo, Kamehameha Dance Company, founded in 1992, formerly known as TPAC. I remember TPAC. It was the vision of its founder, Stacy Archer Little, to create a club at KS. And then was changed by cousin. Oh, family affair again. Something that remains open and accessible to all who possess a passion for dance. Under the direction of KCIE.
Educators still are young. The concert being held has been the heartbeat of the students of music tradition for 40 years. Under the direction of Senior District and Caribbean, the congregation is the premier ensemble of 71st Pa'u unit of this morning. Today they are led by Dr. and Ku'ule Aloha Clan. The unit gentlemen include Dr. Douglas Valenta, a neurologist, along with Derek Moore, John Morris III, and John Morris.
You know, since this unit is made up of healthcare workers predominantly from the Queens Medical Center, how about we give them a round of applause? I think they would greatly appreciate it. I know all of us have had our own experience throughout the pandemic, but truly I think we can all agree that our healthcare workers have, oh my goodness.
Now look at you, Aina.
Look at the pua. Look at those beautiful pua, keiki.
You know that's all the thing to learn to how to
Performed Aloha Aina this morning, composed by our beloved Queen Lili'uokalani, and aligning with this year's parade theme. They also performed their Aloha Oli Cadet Regiment, which included a band and a drum bugle corps. Many of McKinley's cadets are war heroes, including World War II Medal of Honor recipient, the late Senator Daniel K. Inouye, class of 42, and Korean War Medal of Honor recipient Sergeant Leroy Mendonca, class of 50, as well as many other exemplary citizens. Today the program is still an elective and it's organized as the Tiger Battalion. So you guys saw 30 marchers, 3 rows of 10, 32 percussion and 3 drum majors, and a color guard consisting of 28 members and a partridge in a pear tree. Just kidding. The marching band has received countless awards and recognitions, and they are well known for their extreme precision and discipline they display throughout their performances. The marching band is the most traveled of any organization in Moanalua High School. They have performed in the Pasadena Tournament of Roses Parade twice, the Orange Bowl Parade in Miami, Florida, the World's Fair in Knoxville, Tennessee, and the Fiesta Bowl National Parade in Phoenix, Arizona. The Menehune Band is directed by Mr. Eldon T. Seta, Ms. Rona Barbosa, Mr. Kevin Takesue, and Mr. Todd Oshima. They are assisted by the band alumni tech staff that is comprised of the former members and friends.
Today, very special. They were inducted into the Hall of Fame last year. California, Vermilions, green and red.
folks, again, pa'u riding is a rare cultural tradition here, and so we do at the Aloha Festival Parade preserve it.
Pukani local birth site, one of the most important ancient cultural sites on the island of Oahu. The members of the Hawaiian City Club of Wahiawa.
Sorry, that's what happens in Hawaii, you guys. So you just gotta go.
With the Moana Loa.
So did you enjoy the parade? Kind of. It was nice. A little slow. It was a fun parade. There are a lot of people from Kamehameha School. And did you notice the school where kids who have some Hawaiian blood can get into, so you can't get into it. I like the orchestra. They played a pop song. I forgot what the song was, but it's one of the popular pop songs. Those people in the parade, they're gonna be walking for 3 hours from 9 to 12. 3 hours and no shade. Would you want to do that? They didn't look hot at all. They're probably waiting for like 30 minutes or so before their parade. So a total of maybe 4 hours out in the sun. That's amazing. And now we're gonna do a little shopping at Whole Foods.